Well, how's it going, YouTube? Hopefully everything's going pretty good for you. Just another day in paradise, right? That's what I thought. Well, putting brand new tires on the 4Runner, and I'll be doing a video on that tomorrow. My question is, what's the best battery you all have ever bought that you've been really happy with? For some reason, batteries like this from AutoZone and some of the other high-end parts store, you know, AutoZone and what's the other one, Advanced Auto. I've not had any good luck with these batteries. I'm going to go to Walmart and buy me one for $50, which I know it'll last. Now I have two of the Walmart batteries. It's going on almost 3 years. They are still holding up just wonderful. And check this date out: 16, 17, 18, 19. It's just turned 3 years old. You would think these batteries would last a little bit longer, so it's a little frustrating. Of course, this only has a 2-year warranty. Then after that, you're on your own. So they have a pretty good idea just how long they will last, I guess. But yeah, she's deader than a doornail. So to prove it, check this out. Absolutely nothing. I put a charge on it. It won't even hold a charge. So luckily, Walmart has batteries for $50. And of course, Walmart is not sponsoring me, but I'm just doing this video for sort of a PSA, if you will, show you guys that you can get pretty good batteries at Walmart. I've had pretty good luck with them, but yeah, it just turned 3 years old and it's done. So off to Walmart we go for a brand new battery. And on this 4Runner, it has to be exactly the same height as this, because this battery sits in here kind of weird on this little plastic tray, and you have this bracket that goes across the top of it here, so it has to be exactly, I think this is 7 or 8 inches. Let me check and see. Let's see what we got here. 8 inches. Okay, so that makes about, well, let me get down here a little bit better. 8 inches, yep. It's kind of hard to do this with the camera. There we go. Right at the top, 8 inches. So battery's got to be exactly 8 inches, and I went to Walmart earlier today, and they have one out there exactly like this, the same height and everything. So I'm going to go and get one. So just a quick video here. I want to see what you all have had the best luck with, especially with car batteries. Comment in the section below and let me know what you have. So off to Walmart I go. Oh, and one other thing before I go. Check out the sides. See how it's swelled out? Look at that. I've seen other batteries do this where the sides actually bow out, so I guess that means it's pretty much done. Kind of an angle there, weird. So I guess that's another indication if your battery is pretty much done. They get pretty hot and they swell out like that. So off to Walmart I go. Okay, here she goes. Here's our new battery from Walmart. This is a 600 cold cranking amp battery. Yeah, 600. And I've not had any problems with Walmart batteries. Anybody that's been in this business will tell you a 2-year battery, I don't care how much you pay for it, should last at least 3 years. Of course, the last battery didn't even make it 3 years. So, but I have a value battery on my other two vehicles, and they're going on 3 years, and I have no problem whatsoever. So, enough about that. So we're going to go ahead and bolt this on here, and it'll be interesting because here in a few days it's going to drop down near 0 or below 0 Fahrenheit. It's going to be really cold, so I'm going to see how this thing handles cranking this thing up in the morning. But other than that, I'll go ahead and put the bracket on here and finish up. Okay, our beautiful value power Walmart battery is on. Nice bracket there on these 4Runners. So let's go ahead and see how this thing starts up. Hasn't been started for a couple of days. Oh. Contact. Oh, that's a beautiful sound. Oh, thank you, Walmart, I guess. I wish they would sponsor me. So we'll get some heat on here. But I think I'm going to be pretty happy with this Walmart battery. Like I said, I've gotten, oh, how many have I had so far? Probably, the last 2 years I've bought probably 20 batteries out there. I haven't had any problems with any of them. So just wanted to see what you guys think about these Walmart batteries. I've had pretty good luck with them. All right. heal that. All right, guys. So there you go. Until my next video. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.